Why? Please tell me, why do some people still buy this obsolete angle grinder? It's been on the market for over 10 years and became obsolete at least 6 years ago. And yes, it's not even brushless. It's big, has low RPMs and just plain slow. Let me show you. I will compare this model with new brushless DeWALT model, which has a slimmer body, higher power and greater reliability. And yes, now you can see new model is a lot faster. But this DCG412 model is still on the market, still on the shelves. And it costs $140. And it's not really cheap, so do not buy old tools, old outdated tools. It's a lot of fresh models on the market. Fresh and really reliable and powerful.